jealous.
Another day, another ride. Hello everyone. Today I'm off for another ride. Hopefully it'll be a bit successful than last night. Oh man, it's too early. Can't talk. You know, sometimes I'll go out to... I'm in the complete wrong lane. What the fuck am I doing? Oh man! Like a sitting duck out here. Alright. Back on track. Yeah, anyway, sometimes I'll go out to shoot a vlog and I'll be full of energy, I'll be talking non-stop and it'll be a good video. Then sometimes, other times I'll go out to shoot a vlog and I'll be like, I just can't think of anything to say and I'm like, just don't want to talk. But today I'm sort of, what the hell? Yeah, abseiling down that building. Cool. I want to do that. Abseil down a building. Bloody James Bond style. Anyway, I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone. I'm going for a ride. I'll get some footage of a ride and the guys I'm going riding with. Also, I had a request put to me last night. Someone on Facebook sent my page a message and said, "Hey, you should do a video where you ride through a tunnel with no muffler." And look, there's a tunnel. And look, no muffler. Beautiful. So I'm just going to shut up now and play the song of my people, you guys, because this channel would be nothing without you, 2 subscribers. That was a good one. Try me to choke with this one. That did nothing. Avoid lane changes. YOLO. Oh, I feel dirty for saying that. I want to go home and take a shower. Should we try another gear? Ah, nice and quiet. So yeah, that's what my bike sounds like in a tunnel with no muffler. And doing key bangers with no muffler. So we can put that one to rest now. No need to do it again. Unless I really, really want to. But I'm sure most of the police in the country will be after me now. Oh, god damn it, I got an itchy ear and there's not a fucking thing I can do about it. Oh, like my ear is seriously itchy at the moment. I just want to die.